is talking about her longing for her beloved Lord Muruga, she talks about how if a traveler even mentions his name in passing, her heart fills with longing. She talks about how every time she sits down to write a letter to him, in fact, she gets so lost in his thoughts that she ends up scribbling and doesn't even realize. She also goes on to say that this love that she feels is not something frivolous in passing, but something really deep and meaningful. And she asks people not to trivialize it at all. In conclusion, she says that, all the money, all the riches in the world cannot make up for her love for Lord Muruga. She's willing to lose everything for him. So this is Valli Kanavan. It's in Rag Chenchuti set to the Tal Adi.
முருகனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா, கந்தனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா, வேலனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா, கடம்பனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா, முருகனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா, கந்தனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா, வேலனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா, கடம்பனுக்கு ஹரோஹரா. வள்ளிக்கணவன் பேரை வழிபோக்கன் சொன்னாலும், வள்ளிக்கணவன் பேரை வழிபோக்கன் சொன்னாலும், வள்ளிக்கணவன் பேரை வழிபோக்கன் சொன்னாலும், உள்ளமுழையோதடி, மலைபடி மேல வரிசையாய் நானே